Always the bigger jaw goes to the buccal surface of the tooth and the smaller jaw goes to the palatal surface of the tooth. Now we have the wingless. The wingless have the same size and can be placed very gently on the tooth without impinging the gum area till it is secure. Very important to secure your clamp with a dental floss. So take a long piece, make a loop, pass it through here, open the loop, pass the floss through, gently pull, so that when you secure the clamp into